Good morning, my friends. Coffee with Lisa in the morning. It's Friday at 10 minutes till 11. I hope everybody's doing well. As you hop on, shoot me a comment. Let me know where you're hopping on from, or a heart or a thumbs up or whatever. I was just checking in with everybody, see what everybody's up to. I'm baking pound cakes this morning, and then I'm going to be snapping green beans this afternoon. I'm going to put my second pound cake in the oven and then run get my green beans. But what's everybody else doing on this Friday? Happy Friday. And then I'm getting ready for the beach. I'm going to pack tomorrow. I wasn't really intending on canning beans, but when they come in, they come in. It's just the way it is. So anyway, hey there, Dolores, and hey, Angela Hunt. Good to see you this morning. So I'm baking my mama's lemon pound cake, and the batter is delicious. Delicious. With that lemon flavoring and vanilla. And it smells heavenly. Anyway, I'm going to take one to the beach. And I'm going to leave half here for Andy for Father's Day and half to my dad for Father's Day. You know, my dad's to an age, he's got everything he needs. So baking him something is better than any gift you can give him. What's everybody else doing this Father's Day weekend? Hey there, Betty. And I pray for those who have lost their fathers, who are celebrating here on earth while their fathers are in heaven this weekend. And thankfully, mine is still here with us. Hey there, Brenda Green. Good morning from Beattyville, Kentucky. Hey, Carrie Jo Powers. Good to see you from Idaho. And hey, Donna. Happy Friday to you, too. I normally don't do a live this time of day, but I thought, what the heck? From Concord. Hey there, Gail from Concord. I'm at the beach. I took lemon pound cake at the beach too. Yeah, I think everybody's going to enjoy it. Hey there, Sally. Good to see you. And hey, Melanie from the home of Indiana Pacers. Go Pacers. Is the playoffs still on, Melanie? I watched some of it the other night with my husband. He watches all sports. Hey, Dawn. Happy Friday. And Sally said, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm going to do that, and then, like I said, I'm going to go pick up my beans. Good morning from Texas. Hey there, Tammy. I lost my dad 10 years ago, so Father's Day is really hard. Yeah, I can imagine it would be, Tammy. But the memories you have, no one could ever take that away from you, for sure. You know, dads are an important part of our life. Mine worked hard and supplied us with all of our needs and kept us in a Christian home, and can't say enough good about him. Hey there, Cindy. Good to see you. And hey there, Diane. Good to see you. Good morning from Houma, Louisiana. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. We are going to Drew's house on Sunday for lunch with Fathers, and then we're going to leave for the beach. Hey there, Ramona. Good to see you from Roanoke, Virginia. And hey there, Lily Donnell. Good to see you. Brenda Green says, my kids are coming and have little dinner and ice cream cake. It sounds delicious. It's always good to get together with your kids. It's always good to get together with those grown kids, especially. Yes, tonight is Game 4, Pacers 2, Thunder 1. Okay, Melanie, my husband will be tuning in, I'm sure. Hey there, Teresa. Good morning. Good morning. There's 70 people on here, so good morning to the 70. Good morning. It's supposed to be kind of overcast here today. Warm, but overcast. And our dear friends, farm family friends have picked beans. And Andy called this morning and said, what are you doing today? I always know that's not a good sign. I said, I'm baking pound cakes. Why? Doug's got beans picked for us. I said, good Lord. So I got to go get the beans. Yep. Indianapolis and Indiana. Okay, perfect. Hey there, Tracy Kramer. Good to see you. And hey, Donna Sloan Dillon. Anyway, I won't keep y'all for long. I just thought I would hop on here while I'm having my coffee and waiting for my first pound cake to come out of the oven. And then I'm going to put some canning jars in the dishwasher and get ready for some canning. Hey there, Shirley Ward Day. Good to see you. Good to see you. 91 on here. Let's see if we can reach 100. Hey there. Good morning from National Cherry Capital, Traverse City, Minnesota. Oh my, at least live. Oh, well, thank you very much. I'm glad to see you too. Calling for rain this weekend in Baltimore, Cindy said. Rhonda, good morning. Lisa from Missouri. Have a fun vacation at the beach. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to it. First time I've been to the beach with the baby. So we'll have fun and we'll get all the loving and laughing and giggling and slobbering all that we can get this week at the beach. Hey there, Felicia. Good to see you. Anyway, I'm going to hop off of here and get my doings done. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I'll be posting some content from the beach, probably just photos and that sort of thing. So I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and we will see you soon. Hey there, Lori. Good to see you, girl. Good to see you. Oh, thank you so much. We think he's beautiful, too. And he's so much fun, and he's just a mess. Sheila, baby boy's at work. He got a full-time big boy job right out of college. So he is working. He's living here. And we told him, we said, look, son, save your money because it's expensive to get out on your own. And you'll have a down payment for something and just live at home. He's no trouble at all. He does his own laundry. He picks up after himself. And he helps Andy on the farm. So I have no complaints whatsoever. Hey there, Felicia. Felicia says, safe travels. Thank you very much. Anyway, thanks for following the page for Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. This is year 11. Can you believe it? 11 years I've been doing this. Sharing recipes and fun and joy and faith and family and friends on this vlog. It's a good thing. Anyway, if you want to see more content, be sure to comment, like, share, and comment, because that gives the algorithm the signal to disperse my content into your feed. So that's for any content creator. Anybody you want to keep seeing, you need to comment on their page so you'll be given the feed through your Facebook feed. Anyway, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon. Tammy, we miss seeing him on the field too. We had the best time for 6 years watching him play football at Wake Forest, and we're very blessed by it. And so, yep, those days are behind us now. They're good memories. Hey, Winifred, good to see you. Happy Friday to you too. I'm going to hop off of here. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and take care, and love on those daddies this weekend. See ya. Bye now.